All right, gents, so I'm here with Matt Pavliv. He's driving the 2018 Camaro ZL1 1LE. He's done a number of extensive mods, and I just wanted to ask him what kind.
Well, up until a couple weeks ago, it was pretty simple bolt-ons. As of today, it's quite a few things. So I just had the motor pulled from the car. We did a cam and top end rebuild, push rods, kept stock valves and heads, changed the rockers. Did a full flex fuel setup on the car. It's got a ported blower, still on factory boost. So it's just full efficiency is what we went for in this build. So cam, flex fuel, headers, exhaust, ported blower, throttle body, and intake. Just breathes better on the front and back end.
Awesome, awesome. And then I see you also brought your gas cans, which may not be enough for this beast.
We're going to find out today. I have no idea.
Yes.
I'm hoping for 1 gallon per lap. That's the goal. So which is 2 miles a gallon.
Okay. So what kind of wheel horsepower does it make?
It makes 685 wheel and 685 wheel torque.
Yeah, and you're an M6 manual, right?
And it is a 6-speed manual.
You got some racing seats, cage. Oh, it's got a different blower lid on it too, right?
I needed a little bling bling in the car,
yeah.
So.
All right, that looks good, man. So, what kind of brakes are you running on this thing?
It is the 2-piece Gyrodisc rotors all around, all 4 corners, and then Hawk DTC 70s up front and DTC 60s in the rear.
Sweet. Nice wing, man.
A little bit of aero on the car. It's got the APR rear wing. It's got the APR front splitter. Soon to have a diffuser at some point.
Excellent. Can't wait to see how you do out there, man.
We're very excited.
Thanks for joining the channel.
Always.
Thanks, Matt, for trusting me with your 2018 Camaro ZL1 1LE. Appreciate you letting me drive it today. I was super excited about trying this out since it has 685 wheel horsepower and 685 wheel torque on E85. Even though today it was on 93 because it had some technical difficulties, it was still just a freaking monster. Thanks again.